Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So if you like my video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe to get you beautiful room decoration videos and all beautiful ideas of room decoration. So if you like this video, so please guys comment me down for entertaining me to make you for you beautiful rooms, the room decoration. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the decoration of the wall. You can see it's like a Spider-Man. It's beautiful looking beautiful, and you can see the side, the lamps and all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful modern classic room. You can see the white color theme and the up lamps and the mirror and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall and you can see the cupboard there. A full dress is there, beautiful design decoration they did. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lamp and the black color wall. You can see looking very beautiful, very good also, and it's also very beautiful. You can see everything is in white theme. You can see the lights and all, and down you can see very beautiful place. And so it's also very beautiful. You can see beautiful kitchen, modern kitchen. You can see down cupboards, and there you can see for washing dishes and all. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lamp and down cupboard, and the windows also there for looking outside. Beautiful. This one also very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up lamp. You can see up the lamp. You can see beautiful lamp. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all in the up roof. Beautiful decoration lighting. This one also very beautiful. You can see the back side. You can see the wall, black color wall. Beautiful walls and all. Good decoration, good idea. This one also very beautiful. You can see keep their books inside. You can see the lamp for studying and all. Beautiful decoration idea. This is also very beautiful. You can see the clock, modern clock, classic, beautiful classic clock. If you like this clock, so please comment me for the clock, and I will bring for you beautiful clocks room decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all very beautiful. This also you can see the very good looking flowers. You can see the lamp. You can see the white color theme. You can see the wall, white color painted, beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the wall decoration for small plants there. Draw it very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see black color theme, all lamps and the bed and everything very beautiful, very good. This is also very beautiful. You can see the wall. You can see beautiful wall decoration. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to friends and families and all. So for entertaining you, and comment me if you like this video, so I will bring beautiful room decoration for entertaining you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Wait for the next video. Thank you for watching.